Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about two things, Onpassive and court case, and also revealing to us how we are going to go about to learn how to generate videos, marketing videos, especially for Onpassive and any other business that you have online. But this video is very focused on Onpassive and court case. We are going to go ahead to ask AI. I'll be using DeepSeek. It's going to tell us what is it about court case with Onpassive. And the reason I'm bringing this video, please share and share and share to many groups. Many people are getting worried. Some people get to me privately, sending me documents of court case, telling me, oh, Hilary, check this document here and there. And when I read those documents has no backing, it has no basis. Okay, first of all, I want to announce to you that Onpassive is a business that is well known, that is open, and Onpassive is in the United States, and most of the people who are sabotaging Onpassive based on their personal grudges, which is common sometimes, though not normal, but common sometimes in businesses. They are based in the US, and if there is any legal action that is being taken towards Onpassive, the United States government will make that open. Okay, they are not scared of you. okay, they'll make that open and official. You must take note of that. That's the first thing I want you to know. Also, there are people who are angry because according to them, by now they would have been having millions from Onpassive. Please take note of this. And it's common for them to report here and there. The United States is an open country. It's not like some of our funny republic in Africa where you cannot air out your mind, you cannot say your mind, etc., etc. Okay, so people are doing whatever they're doing online, on YouTube, physically saying things out of grudges, out of angriness and all that, writing all kinds of documents. You have blogs and all that stuff. But that does not mean that Onpassive is fake. You must take note of this. And when it comes to court case, it's very, very common and very, very okay for someone to accuse you, or it is very okay for someone to doubt you, or for someone to be skeptic about you. It's just okay. It doesn't mean that you are fake, okay? And when we talk about courts, you have to be proven before that is concluded. Take note of this. So, again, when you look at all the online businesses, they have been taken to court, like Facebook, other businesses that have been taken to court, which is more professional and more a more system of accountability. Okay, anybody can be taken to court anytime, any day, because of one reason or the other, but that does not make the person fake or criminal. Okay, take note of this. This is very important. And you cannot, what did you think? You cannot operate a kind of business like Onpassive and then somebody has not taken you to court or somebody has not reported you somewhere. Okay? So online, I can remember when we started registering in Onpassive, many people made me say, oh, that's a pyramidal scheme and all that stuff, because there were promises that were made that people did not imagine. Okay? Today, when you go online, you see what AI is doing. Like the video that we are going to be generating, I'll be teaching you how to generate videos using AI. And AI does all the work for you. You just need to click one or two buttons, just giving a command, and that's it. And we are going to be using DeepSeek on this video, okay? DeepSeek. We'll ask DeepSeek, we'll just say Onpassive and court case. You see how DeepSeek is going to clarify us, tell us all that they know about that. And there's something about AI. When you give a prompt in AI about Onpassive, it goes to select in professional websites, original websites that are genuine. For instance, when I want to generate a video and I say generate a video about the passive income of Onpassive, it goes to Onpassive's original website. Get confident information, original information, professional information, and put it in a more structured way. That's the power of AI. Okay, so it goes to the source of it and brings you that information and gives it to you. So you must understand this. Those of you who are not technology savvy, please share this video as far as you can. Don't be scared. Don't be worried. Don't be shaken. Now, some of us have been taken into some Ponzi scheme, pyramidal scheme. Okay. Now, this is the shock. Did you ever see anybody or individual coming to lay claim that they are the owners of those businesses. Did you ever see them? You did not see them. Okay, but they took our money, a lot of our money, and went with it. Okay, I don't want to be naming those pyramidal schemes here. There are many of them. Okay, so they are not even existing to even see them, to take them to court. So one of the proof that Onpassive is genuine is that people are reporting. Okay, that's one of the proof. The other thing you must know, where common sense must tell you, is that Ash comes regularly and show his face. Ash is open. He has shown his face. The world knows him. People know him. They know that this is Ash. This is the owner of Onpassive. He came with this idea. He has his team. They are there. So I don't know why people are still foolishly worried. Sorry to use that word. You cannot be worried at this time. And we understand, like I always say in my video, that we have some founders or some leaders who were not properly marketing Onpassive. And you cannot blame them. They were doing it out of passion, out of love. So we cannot blame them, okay? But as the year goes by, all of us are learning, all of us are mastering. Now they know how to communicate. Now everyone is trying to say what is there and not just make people hype people up. Okay, and when you read your DNA behind your back office from when it was O founders until it comes to the OES, you understand that when you read that document very well that you read and signed, they were not promising you some big money. In fact, that system was even censored in such a way that you cannot even write money in the system. Yes, it will flag it up. So Ash designed that system in such a way that you will not tell people, come in for money, come in for money. This is something he kept on saying. Don't call people in to come for money from until, even went as far as saying that, don't show your back office to show money to attract people in Onpassive. He is smart. He knew what he was doing. And just that alone is already revealing to you that he was not promising you quick money. He was promising you a system that you will use. And that is why Onpassive emphasize that buy a tool, get a machine, get a work environment in your home, okay? And get ready for business. You have to do something to earn something. This is very important. And he has emphasized on this time without number. Okay? So court case or whatever, please don't be scared, don't be shaken, stay calm, relax. Let me take you into DeepSeek so we hear what DeepSeek is saying. Okay? When I take you into DeepSeek and then we read together, analyze it together, and then from there we move on. So we came here and then we asked ChatGTP and we said Onpassive and court case. Okay, so this is what Onpassive has for us. This is what DeepSeek has for us. It's an AI searching tool. Okay, one of the most recent. So it says, as of my latest knowledge, there is no widely publicized court case involving Onpassive, a company known for its AI-driven digital marketing tools and MLM multi-level marketing business model. However, here are some key points to consider gathering Onpassive and legal matters. Okay, the first thing that it says here is past legal concerns. Onpassive has faced scrutiny over its business practices, with some critics alleging it operates as a pyramidal scheme, a common concern with MLM companies. Okay, it means multi-level marketing companies. Some of them, or many of them, were operated as pyramidal schemes. So they are saying here that there was a growing concern about the fact that Onpassive could be like that. Okay, and this does not mean that Onpassive is like that. Pay attention. The next point is some former members or observers have raised questions about delayed product launches, payment issues, or exaggerated income claims, but no major court ruling have been confirmed. Please pay attention. Like I said, if there was any major case concern, they will publicize it publicly. And of course, we have members who have been worried about daily product launch, delay product launch, sorry, and payment issues or exaggerated income claims. Like you hear in my videos, I always tell you that some of the leaders and founders were not marketers. So they use statements that were like, now, something is happening now. If you notice my video, I always tell you that Onpassive is not a quick rich scheme, that it's taking its time. Even when you look at the document we signed at the back office, it was clearly stated there that Onpassive is a business that will grow gradually, okay? And its first customers are the founders. Take note of this. Now we come to regulatory warnings. Some countries' financial regulators have issued warnings about Onpassive or similar MLM schemes, advising caution due to potential risk. Of course, every business has a risk. Every business has a risk, and people who can come and analyze the risk, comparing it to. Remember that they are comparing Onpassive bet to other MLM companies, and because those other MLM companies failed, and they were pyramidal scheme, they are saying that, oh, this might be, but this does not mean Onpassive has issues. Please follow this carefully. So these are concerns of people. Many people have met me personally and say, oh, Onpassive is a scheme, it's a scam, blah, 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 blah. But these are people's opinion, okay? And this shouldn't bother you. This shouldn't make you feel afraid or feel scared, etc. Okay? For example, in 2020, the Dutch Authority of Financial Markets, AFM, warned against Onpassive, citing concerns about sustainability, okay? Which is very okay. People have their reasons, or people have their right to say, oh, be careful with Onpassive, etc., etc., but that does not mean Onpassive is fake. Please take note of this. Current status. As of now, there's no widely reported active lawsuit or court case against Onpassive. I hope those who are worried, you already see it here. If you go to all the online platforms, do your search, okay? Stop running around with half documents and posting here and there that Onpassive case, or there's no case against Onpassive that is official anywhere, okay? Now, the company continues to operate, promoting its AI-based tools and business opportunities. And you must take note, of course, there are people who have reported Onpassive here and there and all that stuff, but you must know that you don't just report people. When you report someone, that person also has a right to come and give their own claim. Always take note of that, okay? So anybody can take you to court, but when they take you to court, you have a right to come with your own claim and say, okay, I'm here. So what's up? Now they say, okay, you explain. And when you start explaining, Onpassive is an amazing business. If you take Ash to court, when he start explaining the business and even show you the business model, even the lawyers will surely flog you out of that court because you don't know what you are doing. Now, what to do if you are concerned? If you are involved in Onpassive and have legal concerns, check the consumer protection agencies in your country. Research update from official sources, okay? Official sources in all these areas. Would you like help finding? Okay. Now, so these are some of the clear things that you must understand. Like I said, it is very okay to be taken to court. That is no big deal. It doesn't mean you are fake. And also, it is very okay for you to stand and have people who are against you, saying all manner of things, and etc. etc. This does not mean Onpassive is fake. You see that here, people have worries about delayed launches. That is a normal worry that everybody could have. People have worries about issues of payment. When we started doing payment, it was not Onpassive's fault. It was a system that was hired that was not working, doing its job. And these are some concerns that are being put together right now. And you hear they said some former members, Ash has regularly explained to us that there were some former members that were not honest, okay, that were all not honest. And they stabbed him at the back and began to do some things that were not right. Okay, so such members can go out there. So these are the common things that you must understand. But no major court ruling have been confirmed. Please, this is go online. I've done searches here and there, and it's clearly stated there. Okay, Onpassive is a done deal. Stay tuned.
Okay, you have seen that for yourself, okay? And please learn to use other AI tools, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, and other platforms to search. You will find the same results, okay? We are in an open world. There's no need to lie, no need to do it here and there and all that stuff. So relax and be patient. Please, we are going to be teaching you how to generate videos using AI. This is proof that Onpassive will be coming very strong. These are small AI marketing tools that are already being generated by young people, not even close to the team that we have in Onpassive. So think very correctly, okay? And also, please do well to go down below, click that link, be part of my WhatsApp group. That is where I'll be sharing back and forth because it's my WhatsApp group. I can coordinate it the way I want as far as this training is concerned. Many WhatsApp group, I respect them. I don't just post there anyhow. So if you're part of my group, I can be able to post back and forth to tell you, okay, because it's a training that we are going to do it we are going to do it step by step. We are going to take time to guide people through. Let's say we do the first 1 hour or the first 30 minutes, and some people were not present. We'll announce another 30 minutes. If some people were not present or those that were present and could not catch the concept well, we will see we'll say announce. So it's going to be a routine training, okay? A routine training, and other things will be introduced, because now my goal at Newsemo Tech is to build your capacity, to prepare you to be able to handle what is coming in Onpassive. As a tech savvy, as someone who is a little bit open in tech, I see a lot of things coming that will need our action in terms of designing marketing videos, in terms of designing blogs and all that stuff. So we have to start building those capacities now. And I also want to really encourage, stop saying that you are not technology savvy. Stop saying that. I have zero background in technology. In my primary school, I didn't do technology. I didn't go to nursery school. In my secondary school, I didn't do technology. In my university level 3 years, I didn't do technology, okay? When I grew up, and I think that was in 2017, 18, that is when I fell in love with technology, and I just get committed. So you just have to be committed, okay? And always bear in mind, technology is a necessity. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. And the way it has been designed for every single human being on the planet to be able to use it. Okay, so that is how Onpassive has been designed. So when you keep saying that you don't know technology, you are not good with this thing, you don't want this thing and all that stuff, how do you want to survive? Take note of this, okay? We shouldn't get to a point where other people who are just coming into Onpassive are benefit those fruits because they are committed, not because they are smart, but because they are committed. So please pay attention, join my WhatsApp group, and please share this video. It's very important. Share these videos as far as you can in all your groups. See you soon and stay blessed, guys. Let's keep pushing. Onpassive is a done deal.